So, bakit naman first investment ko ay with Calm Residences at condominium? Ano bang intention ko dito? So, many people ask me why Calm Residences is my first choice of investment, no? Kakatanong lang sa akin ng na nagbe-video sa akin ngayon, bakit ako napag-invest dito? And I really told him na, alam mo, nung time na nag-invest ako dito, I was starting out to be like a freelance or nasa real estate profession na ako noon. And naisip ko na hindi pa ganun ka-mature yung in terms of income ko dito. So, parang wala pa akong mapapakita as for income requirement. Kaya na-consider ko to kasi parang dahil mahaba pa yung down payment period niya, madami pa akong time to really grow my income para mag-fit siya by the time na mag-loan na ako kay bank or kay Pag-ibig. And gusto ko din sanang i-utilize yung down payment period niya para makapag-advance payment din ako. Kasi as a millennial na wala pa naman akong family, so iniisip ko talaga na habang wala pa akong pinagpo-providean, ilagay ko muna sa investments itong kinikita kong extra para in return, once na mag-loan na ako, very minimal na lang ang kailangan kong i-loan at onti na lang din yung mainteresan. Then, second point would be, for me, as a millennial din na nakapag-contribute pa lang ng 2 years worth of Pag-ibig contribution, no? Gusto ko siyang ma-utilize yung membership ko kasi na-realize ko na hindi naman lahat ng properties dito na ina-offer namin ay may Pag-ibig financing. So, why not make most out of it? So, I thought that it was really a smart choice na, oo, Gwen, tama yan. Kasi very affordable yung down payment, tapos may Pag-ibig financing, very parang beginner-friendly siya. Tapos to the point na yung payment scheme ba niya or payment terms is pwede ko siyang bayaran via GCash, credit card, at debit card. Eh ngayon pa naman, na nag-start ako i-utilize yung credit card ko, naisip ko na sayang yung points. And right now, 1 year na ako nagbabayad dito. Ang laki na din ng ginain ng points ng credit card ko. Sabi ko, so win-win situation talaga siya. Kaya naisip ko na maganda talagang mag-invest dito for condominium. Kasi I was thinking with my husband na baka one day din kami soon mag-migrate din, just like any of us na parang naghahanap ng greener pasture or mahilig kasi mag-travel. Tapos naisip ko na, love, nako, kung mag-invest tayo sa condominium, sino magmamanage nito? Eh, ayoko naman mag-abala ng ibang tao para mag-manage pa ng property natin. Tapos nung nalaman ko that this has a property management services and leasing services na parang, uy, na-take down na din yung isang dilemma ko dahil may magmamanage na ng property ko for me. So parang lahat ng reasons why I should invest here is very akma sa kailangan ko right now. That's why I invested here. Not that hindi magandang investment yung ibang properties na ino-offer namin. Pero sa current situation ko na millennial, I don't have a family, planning to migrate in the future, and wants convenience, I find that it was very smart decision na dito ako makapag-invest. So, madami pa siyang perks na pwede kong ikwento sa inyo. And ito, dito lang ako nag-invest kasi ito yung akma sa story ko or sa timeline ko ngayon. And parang considering the monthly down payment, ito yung parang pinaka hindi mo ramdam sa bulsa na parang hindi man to yung dream property ko, pero I know that this would be a stepping stone for me to achieve more rental business, to achieve, to be a stepping stone din na makuha or mapatayo ko yung dream house namin ng husband ko. And maybe this could fund my future as well as pati na din yung future na magiging anak namin ng husband ko. So, that's really about it kung bakit ako nag-invest dito kay Calm Residences. And my real estate journey was really easy since everything was transacted lang online. So, parang, nung nakapag-reserve ako, hala, yun na yun. Kinabahan pa ako for nothing. Na parang, inisip ko nun, kaya ko ba itong panindigan, magbayad ng gantong amount every month? But this experience has really teach me na maging responsible and maging committed sa mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Because I know that this decision of mine would lead me to have a financial freedom in the future and maybe secure my families or future generations to come ng generational wealth na hindi ko na-experience before. So, ako na mag-start ngayon. So, kayo din ba? Gusto nyo mag-start ng generational wealth ng pamilya nyo? So, if you want that story to also happen with you, you can message me on Facebook at Gwen C Properties and I'll see you there!